We got Lippy in here. Oh, nah, his ain't gonna get it. Let me see what this thing over here doing. Right lane, everybody saying right lane. Left lane for the win. That Honda running like it ain't nothing. Yeah, Honda 1,900 pounds. Durango over there probably 59. Look out, y'all. My people watching on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. We live right now in HD. You can put it on your TV. Yeah, I like the way that sounds. Yeah, we live right now in HD. You can put it right on your TV. Yeah, Limpy on the 75-inch. Hey, he ain't missing the beat. Hey, he ain't missing the beat. Watch, look at religiously. Hey, yeah, look. Hey. Subscribe thing. Hey, go on the ride with him. I was about to say, he gonna think he made the best pass ever if he start with them back tires. Come back a little bit more, right there. You ready now. You got a shift in that thing though. Oh, he didn't. Hey, you gotta back up again. No. You ready, man? Okay. My boy finna get it done now, y'all. Easy, here it come. Oh, easy now. Now get everything ready. Okay. Okay, we got Marlon Dixon in the building, y'all. Just got over here from TikTok. Yeah, I gave him a little horsepower, a little 12 horse. Kept him with the 60 foot. Oh, okay, here we go right here.
Oh, yeah, I see you.
What size y'all got on this? He ain't do no good burnout. That's where he messed up at. You gotta put it in sport mode. He letting it shift. It ain't gonna spin. Not acting like that.
What's your favorite map on Tarkov?
Yeah, man. I used to be on Tarfall back in the day.
What's your favorite video game? Look out. You got a favorite video game?
My favorite video game?
Yeah.
Fight Night Round 3.
Fight Night.
Left lane ran around her. Okay, my other favorite game is Call of Duty.
Okay.
Black Ops 2, the old one.
Nice. Good.
Black Ops 2 on PlayStation 3.
Nice.
Yeah, I like the one on PlayStation. No, I don't do PC gaming.
That's get you on PC gaming.
Yeah, I don't feel like it's the same thing. Yeah, that PlayStation 3 you can get on the internet for free. You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I like it. I like it. Limpy said his favorite game is Pornhub. Yeah.
His podcasts are good, man. I was listening to those.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You was listening to him.
Background music, like if you're doing that, like I was playing some games, like doing some shit at home, and
yeah. You were listening to him.
Yep.
Did you have any favorite parts in there?
I like when he talked about you, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was your favorite part.
Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Lookout #1, bro.
Yeah. That was his favorite part, Limpy. His favorite part is when you was talking about me. That was a clean part. Huh?
I said him and Happy look like they have a good time. That's
him and Happy look like they have a good time. Uh-oh, that sound. Yeah, it sound like it. I don't know. I don't like it.
I heard the metal.
Oh, that's his thing been regular like that. That's
I've heard that tick
I
from
forgot.
his exhaust.
Yeah. What's his name? That's Canelo. He still got a Lookout Racing sticker. That's my boy, y'all.
Yeah.
He got 12.
He beats the shit out of that car, though. He don't
Okay.
take it easy on him.
Let me see what Funkytown bidding at.
F console with your aim assist. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Right lane for the win. Damn, Funkytown.
I don't know why he ran Moses. He usually run nice.
Yeah, Funkytown. You
Hey,
bet.
what's up?
Did they set that up right there? Because I thought this
Now,
side supposed to
Canelo
win.
always sprayed, but he didn't spray that time.
Why
he
he
just
ain't
came back out.
Oh, okay.
He'll spray next time. Canelo spray. Canelo gonna pop him in his ass next time.
Okay. He
Canelo
probably getting them.
them.
Yeah, getting them ready.
Yeah.
Now he think he gonna win.
Watch next time. Watch you see him.